Okay, so this is me when I sit down for a mindfulness meditation. I wonder what we're having for dinner tonight. Is my heart beating? Oh, I'm bored. I don't think I'm doing this right. There are so many benefits to practicing mindfulness, including but not limited to decreasing anxiety and depression, increasing attention and focus, increasing happiness, etc., etc. And likewise, there's also so many different ways that you can practice it. So come join Rebecca and myself for our workshop starting October 7th, where we're going to be using a bunch of different mediums: sculpture, drawing, painting, movement, music, to find a daily practice that actually works for you.
Now, if you heard the word art and immediately thought to yourself, no, I would suck at that, and I'm definitely not going to do it. Sounds like fun, but nope, not going to do it. This group is actually for you. If you find yourself wishing that you could just let go and have more fun, stop thinking so much, or stop letting your thoughts get in the way of you having fun, this group is for you. If perfectionism inhibits you from trying new things, from branching out, going out of your comfort zone, it's for you. If you are ready to let go of your judgment, let go of that inner critic voice, and connect more with yourself and with the people around you, this group is for you.
We hope to see all of you there.